So for the first set of problems that we did, these were all for a proportion. We can do this for a mean, even though it is less common to do it for a mean. So it's the same idea. Administrators at your school want to estimate how much time students spend on homework. They want to estimate mu at 90% confidence with a margin of error that is at most 30 minutes. A pilot study indicated that the standard deviation of time spent on work per week is about 154 minutes. So how many students do you need to achieve this goal? Okay, couple of things. When they have you do this for a mean, they will always give you standard deviation. So they will always give you what I have highlighted in pink. You will never have to use a conservative estimate. It will always be given. Now, what we know is the margin of error for a mean is t critical times standard error of your sample. However, there's a problem using t. So when we use t, it's one of these numbers in the table. But in order to know what number we need, we have to look at degrees of freedom. But degrees of freedom is based on your sample size. Well, that's what we're trying to find out. We don't know what the sample size is. So in this case, instead of using T star, we use Z critical. This is the only time that we use Z critical for a mean. So we use this because we don't know N. Use Z instead because we don't know N. Okay, well then setup is exactly the same as last time. The Z critical for 90% confidence is 1645. But this time, what we multiply by is standard deviation in the top, 154, and root n in the bottom. We want that to be less than or equal to 30 minutes. Okay, well, I use a super shortcut on these problems because I just did a bunch of the proportion ones. So I know this is going to be in the numerator of my fraction, and now all I have to do with the denominator is switch these two things. So what I would have is 1.645 times 154 divided by 30 has to be less than or equal to root n. So what's our final step here? To square it. So exactly the same as last time, just, in my opinion, quicker. I don't got to enter in no roots into my fraction. So I'm doing 1645 times 154 divided by 30 squared. I get 71.3. So I need to have at least 72 students in my survey. If I want to know the amount of time that students spend on homework per week, and I want to be within 30 minutes of the true value, I need to ask at least 72 students. You're hanging in? Okay. High school students who take the SAT math exam a second time generally score higher than on the first try. Past data suggests that the score increase has a standard deviation of 50 points. How large a sample of high school students would be needed to estimate the mean change in SAT score within 2 points with 95% confidence? Notice there that they're saying 2 points, not 2 percentage points, 2 actual points. Okay, critical value for 95 is 1.96. I just have that one memorized now. Standard deviation is 50. I want that to be less than or equal to 2. Not 0.02, 2. Okay, well, I can just do the switcheroo. So 1.96 times 50 over 2. It's got to be less than or equal to root n. Square both sides. Oh, that worked out nicely. Did yours work out nicely? Yep. Man, there's somebody coming in hot out there. Can you hear them driving like Fast and Furious? They're drifting. I can hear it, Tiara, okay? Can hear them drifting on the gravel. They must be in a hurry to get to lunch. Okay, do you want to try the body mass index without me? Okay, do it. Okay, give it a try. Okay, go. Maybe they're just having a little lunchtime fun. Tell me you heard that. Maybe it's a driver's test. That'd be awesome, more like it. It's about 10 seconds enough.
You can use my paper cutter for those if you want. Feels like a spelling typo behind, but it's like email typos.
Okay, I got 94 young men. What'd you guys get? Same thing? Okay, on 63 then. No, we did not. We did both of these. Right? The body mass index, oh, this one's young women. Oh, it's slightly different. Okay, so we did the SAT. So, you, to finish, can you do 63, just need to finish number 73, hopefully. Remember I told you to skip these two? You did the SAT in the notes. This looks like the one we just did, but it's young women, not young men. Know what I'm saying? Yes, no? Was that a yes? Was that a no? Was that a yes or a no? Okay, I need to tell you a couple of things, and then you're done. Are you listening? Yes? Okay. Now, here's the deal. You're supposed to test next time. So, I'm thinking that this is enough time to probably finish Can You Do 64 in class. So, if you get it done, let's turn it in. And this is your homework. I will have the overview done today. That's the little one sheet paper. And I will upload that for Friday. If I get questions on the review, I might realize that we need more time to test. And then I could give us another day. But if nobody contacts me between now and Saturday, we're testing on Monday. Does everybody understand what I'm saying? Because if nobody has questions, I'm assuming that you guys are doing the review and you understand. So we're planning on the test on Monday. Overview will be done today. 64, you guys are probably going to finish that in class. Yes? Okay. Okay, go.